This is chapter number 11, Building, Paintings and Books. So we are going to take question and answer, that is the short type, MCQ and fill in the blanks. What all possible questions can be from this chapter we are going to see, and I have composed some pictures here. Wherever it is required, I am going to take you here again back. Bhagavad Gita is a part of. Now, Bhagavad Gita is a part of, this is Mahabharata. Mahabharata is an epic, very big. So, this Mahabharata has Bhagavad Gita, you can say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata. Mention the feature of Bhagavad Gita. Feature of Bhagavad Gita. See, for Muslims, Quran. From Christians, Bible. Similarly, for Hindus, is Bhagavad Gita. So it says how to do the bhakti, how to worship the deity. Who composed Silabbadikaram? Silabbadikaram, who composed it? So Silabbadikaram, who composed it? Ilango. So Ilango, who was the brother of Chera king. We'll talk about Cher Chola Pandya in the next discussions. So Chera king Sena Guttavan, Ilango was the brother of him and he composed Silabbadikaram. Name the capital of Kosala. So let me take you to this point where we are discussing. So the Mahabharata was fought, or this is based Kuru area. Hastinapur was the capital. Ramayana, Kosala. Kosal is that Rajya or that state, and Ayodhya was the capital. So what is the answer here? Ayodhya. Ayodhya is the capital of Kosala. Who was the author of Sanskrit Ramayana? Sanskrit Ramayana, Valmiki. Acharya Valmiki has written Sanskrit Ramayana. Ordinary people also told stories, composed poems and songs which were preserved as dash and dash. So Jataks and Panchatantra. Normal people, we talked about earlier Silabbadikaram, Mani Mekhalai, we talked about Mahabharata and Ramayana. So these were big epics and they were mainly containing the Rajas, the Ranis, their victory, Devi Devta like deities. But what about normal people? If the kid is not sleeping, that some story people used to tell this kid, and others also they were discussing. So Panchatantra and Jatakas, these were two, you can say, short stories. Panchatantra also same thing, Jataks like Jatak, but mostly the animals are shown, or through these portrayal of animals, the story is being said. So this is especially for the kids. For children, they just enjoy this Panchatantra. Jatakas are mainly for children and the adults also. Stories from the Jataks were often shown in the railings of stupas and in paintings at places such as Ajanta. So this is absolutely correct. If you happen to go to, let me tell you about Lion King story. So this story, if you go to stupas, happen to go to Sanchi Stupa or Ajanta Ellora, this is Ajanta Ellora Gufaएं or caves. So you'll see here, all these will be there. So it's true. In which language Aryabhatyam is written? Aryabhatyam is written. Let me show you the person who is responsible for it. The great Dharohar of India, Aryabhat. So he did a lot of work. Actually, he is a genius. He was a genius. He concepted the spy. In Sanskrit, he wrote Aryabhatyam. So the answer will be Sanskrit. Aryabhatta's contribution to science included inventing the way of calculating the circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle, for that what is required? Its pi is required, which is 3.14, which is 22/7. So this 22/7 and this pi constant value, who proposed it? It was Aryabhat. That is how the pi 2 pi r, the circumference, the pi r square, that is the area, can be computed of a circle. So you can say it's true because what he presented, it's still true today. Who invented paper? Who invented paper? So I told you earlier, China. China is a great country. It has given us so many things. It has given us silk. It has given us chow mein and Manchurian, and then it has given us Corona. And then paper is also given by China. It is invented by Kai Lun in China. So Kai Lun, so there are so many things he used to mix, like the bark of the trees, like the waste sometime, and he just makes a combination, then dry it, and that dry you can write, that is the paper. In which state Bhitargaon is situated? Bhitargaon. So if you are from Kanpur, you are very close to Bhitargaon. Okay, it's in Uttar Pradesh, near Kanpur. And if you want to go closer, you might have heard recently about Chaubepur. There was an incident. So it's near Chaubepur, Bhitargaon. And this Kanpur, Bhitargaon, Chaubepur. So this Bhitargaon is famous for its temples, and especially the brick temples which are still there and people used to go. It's a very important spot, especially for religious people. This mandir or this temple is actually the Bhitargaon Mandir, and it is made up of bricks. So this is Bhitargaon, actual picture of Bhitargaon temple. So Uttar Pradesh you can write. You can go even closer to Uttar Pradesh, bracket near Kanpur, you can say that. Why Bhitargaon is famous? Bhitargaon is famous for what? It's so good, it's and long back it was being created. So it is a famous temple, and it's all made up of all bricks. So this is a Garbhagriha, where the deity sculpture will be there, Pratima. Shikhar is usually constructed over the top of. So if you see, mandir or temple, it's not just a one building construction. If it is a vast area, you'll see various constructions. So if you see this example, there are 4 constructions, but one of them will be having the basic deity picture or basic deity pratima sculpture, and on that some construction is made so that from outside anyone can see that this is the Garbhagriha. So Shikhar is usually constructed over the top of Garbhagriha. I say the planet of sanctorium or something is called in English like this. So Garbhagriha, Puja Archana is done here, the priest will be here. Kannagi, the wife of Kolan, mentioned in Silapaddikaram, destroyed the city of. So let me just show you. She is Kannagi, and she destroyed because her husband was falsely accused of stealing, and she thought it to be a gross injustice, and the crying, the way she got so angry, she destroyed Madurai. So there was a king, the chair, Pandya king, and he ordered to kill Kolan because the jeweler in his court, he you can say implicated for Kolan for theft. And when Kannagi knew that his husband has been falsely accused, she got angry and she destroyed Madurai. Name the state where Amravati is located at present. So in most of the internet, you will see Amravati, it's given Andhra Pradesh, but that's not correct. Amravati is in Maharashtra, though it is at the lower part, but it is in Maharashtra. Amravati is in Maharashtra, near Amla. There is one more place which is Amla, near this Amravati. Name the state. Let me write it here first. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Name the famous Tamil poet who wrote Silapaddikaram. So Ilango has written. Ilango. Let me just write it also. ILLANGO. Ilango has written Silapaddikaram. Silapaddikaram. In which direction devotees walked around the stupa? So stupa is basically it's a box. Then a mound or tila is created with the soil or clay. Right? Means inside it will be some content of the monks. Then we have the bricks over this mound. Construction is there. And this is the front view. Let me show you the top view now. Assume that this is the mound, and just periphery of this you will find a path. It's a path, and in a clockwise direction, if you go to any stupa, you will see people clockwise roaming around it or circling around it. That is clockwise direction, and this is out of respect. They don't go anti-clockwise, they always go clockwise. Okay, so the direction you will say clockwise direction. Whenever you go to a stupa, you'll see this happening. The stories from the Jatakas were shown on the railings of exactly true Buddhist stupas. We just saw about that. How the colors which were used in Ajanta caves were made of. Now, if wherever you go, Ajanta, Ellora, and you have to go, you can take from Mumbai, you can go to Aurangabad, and then you can go. So these are the caves. Inside this, you will find very, very, enticing and beautiful chitrakari paintings. But still, they are so lively, and the color here has not yet faded. That is, if you use the color of plant, if you use the color of minerals, khanij. So the mineral and plant combined color or individual, they will last long. These by plants and minerals, the colors were taken. That is how Ajanta caves paintings are still lively, still kind of polished, and you enjoy the beauty. Kalidas, one of the greatest Indian writers, used to write in Urdu. Kalidas kahan, Urdu kahan? There is no relation. It's false. Where the capital of the Kurus is located now? Let's go. Kuru. Capital of Kuru is Hastinapur. So it's a place near Meerut. It still is there. Hastinapur still is there. It's not a Kalpanik or it actually is there in India near Meerut. It's not Kalpanik, not imaginary place. Okay, Hastinapur. Kuru, Hastinapur, and Kuru's capital was Hastinapur at that time. Name the person who compiled the Puranas and the Mahabharatas. So we have talked about this. Vyasa, Maharshi Ved Vyas. Maharshi Ved Vyas, he has compiled the Puranas as well as Mahabharata. The technique of making paper spread to Europe from Baghdad. See, from China it went to Korea. From Korea it went to Japan. In Japan it went to Baghdad. And from Baghdad it went to various places. India also it came from Baghdad. What is the most unique feature of Ashok pillar at Sarnath? So there are so many things we discussed in the previous chapter. So you can write anything here. But if you have multiple choice options, then you are going to take the polish. Because after this much of time, still if you see that this polish is still remaining, or still you can feel that polish. So that is, if you see Taj Mahal, wonder of the world, it's so beautiful, still it's unique. So that is how, at that time people have made it. And there's a misconception that the handwork cut, that is a misconception for Taj Mahal. Name the center of earliest Chalukyan art. So this is not a question here, but still, because we have talked about Ahol, we have talked about Chalukya, the Rajdhani was Ahol, and Chol, Cher, Pandya, that is going to come later. So Ahol you are going to answer here. Now these are the two questions I am posing it in front of you. If even one question you can give the answer, I hope that you have followed this discussion and you are quite ready to give the exam. Any one of these will do. If both of can be answered, nothing great than that. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.